Hello friends, how are you? This is Ali Abdulaziz signing from Abu Dhabi to introduce World Laundry and Dry Cleaning Group to achieve a better result for our industry. I was planning for this project last many years. So now this is the best time for me to introduce to you all. This will be running 24/7. Almost all our training will be happening online. That include all area of laundry operations, from the setting up a laundry, from the sales, from receiving, segregating, washing, drying, flat work ironer, folding, garment finishing, dry cleaning related things, stain removing. That means every area of laundries and troubleshooting, maintenance. There is no barrier for language, no barrier for time, and also there is no barrier for the brand. We do work with all brand globally. So we are here a group of team to help your team. All laundry around the world, even in a street laundry or in a commercial laundry or industrial laundry, a coin laundry, whatever, even a dry cleaning shop or a pressing shop. So we are here to give you a full-fledged training. A businessman interested to come to this industry to establish a new laundry, we are here to help. We will do the consultancy. So we will do the training. We will also can manage your laundry with our supervision and management. So this is all our group members, mainly the seniors, will be not less than 30 years experience, and they have been proved their experience. So the people behind preparing all the online classes, and thereafter the newcomers or the existing staff might require a physical training. We will be establishing around the world for any city. Not in the beginning, maybe all cities, but we will try to arrange from all the cities the training center for physical training and test. And thereafter we will be certifying them. So please, the challenges you all well know. We are here to bring to an umbrella that to get a better position for our hard work. Means laundries are doing very good work. Unfortunately, due to the competition, we are competing ourselves to our competitor. Means we are fighting with our own bread. And to reduce the prices, who is the beneficiary? The beneficiary is the end users. We are not blaming them because we are offering them better prices. So they are planning for every year for a less budget. So whenever they want to new negotiations, new contracts, they want to go and negotiate with you to get better price, because if you are not ready, then there are different suppliers are ready to give them service. But at the end of the day, you know it. Last 36 years, I am roaming around the world, so I know that many projects are not even making break even. Many of them they sold, many of them they lost their money. So we want to have a better practices, best practice, best ethics. This will definitely, and the reason not only maybe the prices, the way of operations, way of your maintaining your machines, way of your planning your schedule to wash or to process, and to how to get a better result from the staff, how to utilize maximum machine and staff capacities. So this is all we are ready to help you, and we got a very big team, and team details will be given you by 1st January 2021. This is the day we want to introduce this project to the world of laundry. So there is no way to think about the language. There is no need to think about the time, because if we start, we will start 24/7. This is what we do last 30 years plus. So we are working for everybody for the laundry industry, particularly in Middle East. We work for 24/7. So we don't have anything new to say that we are not. No, we are here to work 24/7 to help the industry. So I am ready with my team. I will be given their name in details later stage, and this will be in multi languages, and we will be having an entire area of training and online troubleshooting assistance, online maintenance assistance, online updates to the new technologies, new requirements to the fashion industry or the hotel industry or the hospitality, whatever you say, hospital, hotel, because I works in all the fields. Just to name it: retail, airline business, hospitality, hospital sector from 1986 till now, and the labor accommodations, the furnished apartments, you name it. All the field I am, my team and myself is working. So it's a wonderful happiness day for me to come and say in this age, and I want to continue my support to my industry to come to a better position. So please come and join and subscribe my channel, and there is no fee for membership. Only once we start online training, there will be a minimal fee for the people who are interested to join that online training, as well as the physical training in their city. They don't need to come to another city. Maybe we will try in the beginning, might be they need to go to a closer city, but later on it will be in everywhere in the city. So we want to build a better environment for our laundry industry. This is one among the largest industry in the world. We are underestimated by everybody, and we are the one is making them beauty in the world, handsome in the world. So they should consider our hard work. So I want your support and everybody's support. I hope everybody will support to achieve this success. So take care, and waiting for your response, and we'll do a better. Thank you very much. Ali Abdul Aziz signing off from Abu Dhabi.